Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to turn on your activity status on Instagram. So first go to your profile settings, then choose the third option, that is privacy. Scroll down a bit and then go to activity status. Tap on show activity status and then your activity status is turned on. So guys, now that your activity status is turned on, you can also see your friends active status on Instagram. But one of the drawback of this status is that if you turn off your activity status, then you won't be able to see the active status of your friends as well. So guys, that's how you turn on your active status on Instagram. If you like the video, give it a like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.